Let's use the coping saw to help some of the waste removal for this butter knife. What if we do a nice curved blade down there, bring this up in here to a bit of a handle. I would give it a nice sweeping back like that. How's that for a shape for a butter knife? I'm just going to use a coping saw to cut that out. The important thing about a coping saw is keeping your arm moving in a nice straight line, perpendicular to the surface. Otherwise, if I'm on an angle like this, I'm going to end up with a very interesting cut on the back, which will cut away on the back and take off things where I don't want it to go. So if you can keep this nice and parallel here, you see the blade goes on such that it cuts on the pull stroke. Nice, easy, back and forth, using the whole blade. And to get the curve, I am gradually turning the handle as we go. So I'm going to do this, bit of an S bend around the corner. So on these little things here, they tell you which way the blade is pointing. So what I need to do with it is to make sure that it's over there, because that's the direction I want to go. As I come around here, gradually rotate my wrist while I'm sawing. I can just keep coming down there. I'm keeping the blade perpendicular to the work. I'm going to get to there. I'm going to move it up. Now you notice how it's flexed around like this because of the weight here. So if I start sawing now, it's going to go straight into here. This is the way this is pointing. So I need to bring that back up so they are on the tangent to that curve. Away we go. Nice and easy. Coping saw is a fantastic tool. Love it. So I'm going to start out over here, around the corner, so I've got to roll my wrist while I'm sawing. Come down there, I'm going to join up with that one. Just like that. I can come around here. You never cut with your hand underneath. That's a really dumb thing to do. Around here. Turning the blade as we go. Move that up. Make sure I get that back in the right spot. And away we go. Now that just saved a whole lot of knife work. Now it's up to the knife to do the rest. Pretty easy, hey? Love the coping saw. But wait, there's more. We can go down this distance down to here, and then the frame might get in the way. So this belongs to the family of turning saws. It means if I hold that bit, loosen it, I can turn the whole thing around, tighten it up, make that one parallel. Now the frame is sticking outside, so I can keep going. So you can just keep shifting the frame around, which doubles the distance that you can kind of get into where you want to go. Brilliant, they work really nicely. That's the coping saw. Loosen that, straighten it back up again, spin that one around. Those need to be parallel. Love it.